Sinymedical Technology Company, Limited, founded in 2003, is located in the Wenduanhui Tongqing Economic and Technological Development Zone. It is a technology-based enterprise integrating the research, development, production, and sales of medical devices. It specializes in the production of vacuum blood collection tubes and in vitro diagnostic reagents and other medical consumables and testing reagent products for more than 20 years. The company covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters, a 100,000 level purification factory, and has various advanced automated production equipment and assembly lines. The company has always been committed to the research, development, and application of independent intellectual property rights, and has currently obtained 14 invention patent authorizations. The acquisition of intellectual property rights has enhanced the technical advantages of our company's products, thereby improving the market competitiveness of our products. The company has passed ISO 13485, ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, and EU Certified CE certificate. In addition to product marketing activities, first-class service, and first-class quality are the quality policies that the company has always adhered to. Everything is guided by customer needs and provides customers with professional and considerate customization. Service, more than 20 years of deep industry experience, countless industry exhibitions and promotion of experience exchanges, accumulated rich technical experience, and customer resources.